This video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications that are related to the site topsmooth24.com. So topsmooth24.com is a junk and truly deceptive site. It attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to make them click on this special allow button, supposedly to help people confirm that they are humans and not robots. In reality, it is surely a mistake to click on allow. If the allow button was clicked, the browser would be hijacked with multiple pop-ups that will be attacking the screen in the form of push notifications. So you should fix your browser to stop these annoying ads. Access the menu, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, go down to Permissions and click on Notifications. You should research the list of these websites allowed to send notifications. And definitely, if you find any malicious sites here, you should get rid of them from the list. In order to make sure that your system is free of other possibly hidden threats, consider scanning it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the program, and start investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.